Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to send individually tailored mass emails to each of your students quickly and easily. Before we get started, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is have a Google Sheet document open. In it, you want to have the emails of all of the students or people that you want to send the emails to. By the way, these aren't real emails, except for this is mine. But anyway, in the separate columns, you want to have information that will be individual to each student. In this case, I have the points on a quiz, a total, and some comments, and of course over here their names. Once you have all the information how you like it, you then go to extensions, you go to add-ons, get add-ons, wait a moment, search for Mail Meteor for Gmail. Click on it, click on this, hit install. And it's installed. Hit done, X out of this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to extensions, Mail Meteor for Gmail, open Mail Meteor. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new template. I actually down here created this ahead of time. I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to come back here, paste it in here. Okay, this is all the information. This is like the form of my email that I want my students to receive. Okay, so basically it's like this. We're going to insert information from each student. So you go over here, insert variable. In this case, I want it to say hello, and then I'm going to have their first name, and then I'm going to hit space and hit another one, last name. And then over here, I want to give how many points for section 1. So I come here, section 1 points. Over here, section 2 points. Total points, and finally comments right here. And then I'm going to give it a name, lesson 5 quiz results, and hit save template. Then I can see what it's going to look like by hitting preview emails. So hello Philip Beckwith, I don't like all the space here by the way, but anyway. Hello Philip Beckwith, your lesson 5 quiz results are below. Section 1, 4 out of 5, 2, 5 out of 5, 9 out of 10, nice work, and so on. And we can see the other ones have different information here. And we're ready to go. And now all we have to do is hit send emails. And now it is currently sending it out to my students. It says mail sent 6 out of 6. It says please don't close this window. Okay, now we're okay. Right here it says email sent, so we know that they have been sent to the recipients. Okay, over here I want to show you what the result looks like because I sent one to me. So I'll go to my inbox. It says lesson 5 quiz results. I'm going to click on that. Hello Philip Beckwith, your lesson 5 quiz results are below. Section 1, 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 9 out of 10. Nice work, la da da. And of course the other students would get their individualized results. Okay, and that is about it. I hope you found this video useful. If you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. Make sure to check out some of my other useful videos. And until next time, goodbye.